If your company does office coffee service, the large selection of creamers, mini flavors of Bigelow teas by the case. They can also be purchased by the box. You can see they have items for coffee vending machine as well. Here we have different flavors of chocolate for a coffee vending machine to make hot chocolate. One of the advantages of a cash and carry like this one is that you can buy your coffee vending sugar by the bag instead of a whole case. The same goes for vending creamers, hot chocolate, and the various bags of flavors of freeze-dried coffee for coffee vending machines that use a freeze-dried coffee. Sections for sugars and artificial sweeteners. These can be in canisters or individual packets. You can also find coffee pots, coffee brewers, stir sticks, water coolers, coffee filters, different sizes of paper cups and styrofoam cups. Just about anything you might need for your office coffee service. They even have compostable cups, plates, forks, knives, spoons, and plastic forks, knives, and spoons. Just about anything you might need for your office coffee service.